Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, November 20th, 2019. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Steven DiMartino. Of course, if you love these forecasts, please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and family, and even the people you like where you get your best weather information from. Well, we have an interesting upper level low developing over the region this morning. In fact, it's literally developing right over the New York City metro. Now, this means we're going to be dealing with a lot of cloud cover today, but at the very least, it will be dry. It's going to be a bit cool out there, but definitely dry. Temperatures this morning range from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s over the rest of the region. Winds are backing from the north to the northwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Visibility is pretty good, around 10 miles for most locations. Again, you're starting to see some precipitation showing up on the radar, but a lot of this is just not reaching ground. You have to head off towards New England, especially towards the Green and White Mountains, where we'll see some snowfall trying to develop. On our surface map, you can see our low pressure system still meandering out here over the Atlantic. You have your upper level lows forming over the region heading up towards the Gulf of Maine. That's going to support precipitation breaking out over New England. Maybe some snowfall, well, definitely some snowfall over the Green and White Mountains and up towards Lake Champlain and northeastern New York, right up here, where we could see some significant snowfall up in those locations. But for our neck of the woods, pretty much tranquil and dry. High pressure will be building in and taking control. Here's our next cold front that's going to be moving through on Friday. That's going to produce a few scattered showers. So take a look at the latest satellite picture. This is trouble, okay? This is going to be an issue for us by the time we get to Saturday night into Sunday, with the potential for some heavier rainfall, maybe even a little bit of wintry mix as you head up towards the higher elevations, say around the Poconos, northwestern New Jersey. For the most part, rain event, but there's going to be some slick roadways, so definitely keep an eye on that, especially for the northern interior. As we head closer to home, well, we have a lot of cloud cover spinning up around here. Now, when we zoom in, take a close look right here. We're starting to see an upper level low organize right here. And you can see, if you have enough time, just take a look at the clouds, all right, look up, and you can see the clouds literally rotating around this upper level low. It's pretty cool to see an upper level low literally form right over your area. So what's going to happen is that this upper level low is going to have cold air aloft, and what that leads to is what we call instability and cloud cover throughout the region. So we're going to have a lot of these low and mid-level clouds rotating through. All your lifting is going to be focused off towards New England. As you can see, look at the colder cloud tops up here. So this is where you're going to see your precipitation start to organize. And down here, pretty much just cloudy skies. You may see a shower spit off over eastern Long Island or eastern Connecticut, but that is about it. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Scattered broken cloud cover, highs ranging from the lower to mid 40s over the New York City metro and northern interior, upper 40s and lower 50s as you head down towards New Jersey and the Philadelphia metro. And the reason why we're seeing that temperature disparity is because there's going to be more cloud cover over the New York City metro today, a little bit more sun as you head towards the Philadelphia metro. For tonight, everyone clears out with scattered cloud cover expected. Look for lows in the lower to mid 30s. For tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover with highs in the mid 40s to lower 50s. Now on Friday, look for scattered cloud cover in the morning, scattered showers in the afternoon and evening. Not a heavy downpour or anything of that nature. Looking at much, maybe a tenth of an inch of rain. Temperatures, though, are going to be pretty warm with highs in the mid 50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. So definitely a warm day, and then it crashes on Saturday morning with a polar air mass invading. Look for lows in the mid 20s to lower 30s. Now we're keeping an eye on this low pressure system. This low pressure system will be heading towards the Delmarva Peninsula and the New Jersey coastal waters by the time we get to Saturday night. Temperatures on Saturday afternoon will rise into the upper 30s to mid 40s. As this low pressure system passes through Saturday night into Sunday morning, rain along the coast, that's definite, but I'm a bit concerned about some snow, sleet, and rain mixing in over the northern interior, especially around the Poconos, northwestern New Jersey, the Hudson River Valley, maybe up towards the Catskills, northwestern Connecticut, somewhere in that ballpark there. Might be dealing with some slick roadways, so we definitely have to keep an eye on that. Temperatures on Sunday morning range from the lower to mid 30s, of course, colder as you head towards the interior. High temperatures on Sunday afternoon as skies start to clear, but it will be windy, will range from the lower to mid 40s. On Monday, high pressure is in control with sky cloud cover, lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the mid 40s. On Tuesday, high pressure starts to exit the region, look for sky cloud cover, lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the upper 40s to mid 50s. And then on Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, a very busy travel day, this low pressure system will be lifting up towards the central Great Lakes and towards the St. Lawrence River Valley and southeastern Canada. We're going to watch a secondary low pressure system try to develop somewhere around the New York City metro on Wednesday evening into early Thursday morning, which is Thanksgiving. It's going to lead to some very heavy rainfall. So if I were you, I'd make some plans to maybe leave a little bit earlier if you plan on traveling before Thanksgiving. By the time we get to Thanksgiving, it is going to be pretty windy and chilly. So the parade might get pretty interesting with some of those balloons. Hold on to Kermit. We need to keep Kermit in New York City because it might just try to fly away with some of those strong northwesterly winds by the time we get to Thanksgiving morning. Temperatures on Wednesday will range from the upper 30s to lower 40s for lows and upper 40s to lower 50s for highs. And then temperatures plummet on Thanksgiving. We're talking about highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Steven DiMartino. And as always, stay safe out there.